Did you know flamingos aren't actually born pink? So flamingos are born gray, but here's the kicker. They turn pink because of their diet. They eat algae and shrimp packed with pigments called carotenoids. No shrimp, no pink. Flamingos are super social. They literally dance to find mates, and their moves are smoother than yours at prom. Did you know flamingos can stand on one leg for hours? Like how? Oh, and their knees. Nope, those are actually their ankles. Flamingos can live up to 50 years in the wild, and their pink color is basically a status symbol. The brighter the pink, the healthier the bird.